Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Projack's webinar, and I will hold this webinar almost Tuesday or Wednesday every week. Okay, if I have time, so that I can give my students and my followers some guidance. Okay, and good to see you again. Because if you are here, it means that you don't have any coronavirus, right? I hope everybody's have good health. Okay, so now the China is summertime. It's really hot. I'm still in my office, but the air conditioner is down. Okay, so yeah, but I'm going to spend another 1 hour with you guys to check the trades. Okay, so if you have time, please continue its webinar till the end. I will cover a lot of things. Okay. All right. So let's first start from S&P. Okay. So S&P in daily charts. In daily charts, we have a keep moving upside move. Okay, of this the previous week. Okay, it's almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 8 days of a continuous rally. Okay, and along the way we do some short. Okay, from here. Okay, and from here, and the shorts actually make some money. Okay, I think the first wave we capture is this one. Okay, second wave we capture is this one. And then we use this 618 and the previous structure. We capture this 4. Okay, and the last trade was stopped out from here. Okay, by this spike. But good thing is we covered this 30 minutes inside bar breakdown, and successfully it won with almost 1 to 3.5 reward and risk ratio. Okay, so what can we do now? Okay, basically you can find that the recent supporting structure is from 3056. Okay, because that is the origin of this bullish move for today. Am I right? Do you agree that this is the origin move of this bullish move for today? Because S&P didn't really break new high until this candle, right? So this candle shows some bullish momentum, all right? However, it actually failed to maintain above 306.69, which is the all-time high here, okay? So what we got here, I will consider this as a fake breakout, all right? I think last week I mentioned how do we determine this is a fake breakout. Anyone? Do you have any rules of determining what is a real breakout and what is a fake breakout? Yeah, please turn your camera off, okay? Anyone have any idea? How do you determine that, yeah, this is a fake breakout or not? Yeah, guys, please think. Because every webinar, I'm trying to discover some trading logic, okay, to help you to establish a professional mindset of trading. Okay, Raphael makes very good point. It determined is that how fast it come back. So if a real breakout will become something like this, okay, will become something like this. So you see a breakout happens and the price, okay, sideways above the structure, okay, above the previous high, but never come back. And the market says close again below the resistance. Yes, you are right. So in 1 hour chart, let me just ask you, did you see S&P force back below the resistance previously and closed below? Did it? It actually pierced the previous high, but failed to maintain above, and it falls all the way back, even comes to the previous, this candle's low, correct? So this, you can consider this as a fake breakout because it failed to maintain above the red line here, okay? And now it is pulling back to the same level, 3069 gain. So if you think that this might be a signal of a fake breakout, can we short here? Can we sell it again? Because this downside wave already tells you the market did not respect this rally, right? He said, no, please go back, and it go back, reject from this place, and now it comes back to this place again. So can we anticipate that there are still a lot of people are selling from here? Because we do see a reversal, okay? And let's put our 618 retracement from here, okay? It touched exactly after 618. So I think it will be a good place for us to sell the S&P again. So I will do this in front of you guys. Okay? So let me do this, okay? Just give me from the message, okay? Can you see my MetaTrader 4? Can you see it? Yeah, if you can see it, you type 1. Okay, and do you remember that how I calculated risk by using the Jack Master Expert Advisor? If you don't remember, you can go back to my YouTube channel. There's one webinar that I explained how to use the Jack Master. Okay, so this Jack Master will be a very good tool for you to calculate the risk. Okay, so step 1. Okay, step 1. Let me just show you. Okay, step 1. Click File and open data folder. And then you see some data folder like this. And you go for MQL4, okay? Go for expert, okay? You copy the Jackmaster .ex4, copy it here, okay? If you have this file. If you don't have it, you can go for my Google Drive to download it, okay? So Jackmaster.ex4 has to be inside this folder, okay? And then you go to your experts, okay? Experts, below indicator, okay, and right click, refresh, and you will see this Jack Master here, okay, and you double click or drag it to the chart window here, and you will see the parameter settings box here, and you choose the max loss, okay. For example, okay, if I choose my max loss will be $500, okay, $500, and my first target will be 1.121, okay, second target 122, third target 124, okay. Round up is the lot size will be round up as 2 decimals, okay, after the 0, okay. And I click enable auto trading. You have to click this button, okay, and you check the box, and then go for this auto trading here. There's a button here. Click this, okay. Make sure it's on, and you see this smile face on the right corner. So this means your EA is successfully uploaded. And you go for the EA, you can see here, automated trading enable, right? Okay, good. So just now we said we want to sell the S&P, and we already determined, okay, I will risk $500 in this trade, okay? So I'm going to enter here, okay, stop loss above the high, and I click order, and I clear, done. Okay, so you can see my trade here, okay. The EA automatically helping to set 3 sell stop order because it is below the current price. Of course, you can sell it right now, but this actually tells you to sell 3 portion of 0.3 lots. So in total will be 0.9 lots. And in S&P, 0.9 lot means, okay, it means 50 contracts for 1 lot. So can anyone tells me how many shares I sold from 0.9 lots? How many? We know 1 contract means 50 lots, right? And I trade 0.9 in total. So I actually sold how many? How to calculate? Yes, 45, right? You just use 50 times 0.9, which is 45 shares, okay? and we recalculate 45 shares. If my stop loss is at 3076, which is $10, okay, because I sold at 3065, okay, almost at 3066. If my stop is at 3076, I'm risking $10, and $10 times 45 shares, I'm going to risk 450 shares dollar, right? So that's how you calculate the lot size from the check master. Okay, and you can see very good the EA helping to set 3 TP level, which is 1 to 1, 1 to 2, and 1 to 4. Okay, I'm just going to keep it. Okay, I'm going to keep it. And in fact, today I already booked several. Let me just check. This will be my today's profit. Okay, so click for today. This is the profit I made. Okay, you can see my first these two last shares from last night, which is from here. Okay, I sold 2 lots last night, as I said in trading. I sold from here. Okay, let me just check for you. Okay, you can see here. Can you see the arrow? This arrow tells me I sold from here, and this tells me I closed profit from here. Okay. Okay, so you can see the previous shorting trade I already win 1,580, and then I have some other 2 shares, 2 sales. Okay, all right. So this is all the profit I'm making. Okay, and this is 30 minutes inside bar. Okay, the inside bar, the first target hit, second target hit, and now I'm selling again, and I still keep my original position of 0.5 loss. Okay, so by doing this, okay, if the S&P can fall back to here like 3046, okay, I think I'm going to to let it go another half of this position of 0.31, okay, 0.3 loss. And now I've already kicked in the price, so just wait for it. Okay, it either hit my stop loss and I just let it go and I'm going to lose $500, or it will actually give me 1,000 profit or 2,000 profit. Are we clear? Yeah, guys, this is real trading. I'm trading in front of you, okay, by just doing what I said in my webinar. Okay, we are real person, we are real traders. Okay, so you should follow the rules. Breakout, okay, pull back, okay, and price is now coming back again to retest the previous high, which we believe it is a real top. Okay, so we're going to sell. Are we nervous? Raphael, will you be nervous of this like price action here? Yeah, we are out of money right now, right? We are in a loss currently. Yeah, but we are not afraid because we have already set our stop loss here. Okay, if the stop loss is hit, okay, we are gone. We are just, we have to come back to the chart and reset another plan for it, or we just observe it until a new trading plan is is out. Okay, so now just doing the set and forget. Okay, either hit my stop loss or it give me good returns. So this is how I trade through the last 10 years. Okay, so let's go back to another pairs. Okay, so S&P just let it go, and we're going to sell from here to capture the second wave, right? Okay, and we do have another reference. Is actually the previous structure here, okay, which tells me about its 3,100. So if my stop loss was hit here, okay, I'm going to watch the price action again. Maybe I will check whether it will come to this level and start to fall. Okay, but generally speaking, through the past 10 years of experience of the trading, I can tell you this is actually a bearish. It's a bearish patterns. Okay, whenever the price are doing something like this, keeps making new high. Okay, but in a wedge. Okay, when it breaks down, okay, it will just fall like a waterfall. So be ready to capture the next fall of the S&P. I don't know when it comes, but I will keep looking for small, lower time frame. I'm going to keep looking at this shorting opportunities, because who knows whether my S&P will, will just fall like this. Who knows? Okay, so keep some position. It will actually give you a very, very good reward. Are we clear? If you agree with me, you can type 6. Thank you. Oh, yeah, there's 94 people in my room. Okay, yeah, very good. So I think a lot of people want to learn how to trading, right? Okay, let's go for dollar index. Okay. Dollar index, as I said in last webinar, I said dollar index is going down, right? Because the wedge was broken. Okay, the dollar failed to maintain above 98.32. Okay, it's coming down, and it may go even lower, because if you go to the weekly chart, okay, I can tell you something terrible is going to happen due to the rate cutting. Okay, because the Fed has already make their interest rate to 0, right? Did they? Hi, James. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Okay, because the Fed already cut the rate, and they are going to print a lot of money. Okay, so the dollar index are in trouble right now. Okay, it will become something like this. I will think the dollar will have a very deep crash. Okay, and eventually it may go for this ABCD patterns, targeting 88. Because if we remember what has happened in the past years is, what is this bullish wave? This whole bullish wave is actually the the facts, okay, based on the facts that the Fed we're going to increase the interest rate. Do you remember? And the Fed really did. Okay, the first rate hiking is from here, and then dollar falls. Okay, the second one is here. Okay, and the dollar slowly increased their interest rate all the way to 2.5%. Okay, and now it become to 0 again. So last time when the dollar is in a 0 or in a very low level of interest, the dollar is at this level, somewhere at 80, even come to 72. Okay, so it would be very possible for the dollar to go back to 90 or even below 90. So get ready. Okay, the dollar may be weak for long-term trading. Okay, so if the dollar is going to be weak, who will benefit from this? Anyone? Yeah, this is a simple question. If dollar is going down, yes, euro will go up. What else? Gold? No. Gold, although the gold is based on the currency of dollar, okay, because we trade gold versus dollar, the gold will go up, but the gold already appreciated against dollar a lot, long time ago, right? The gold already rallied to 17,000. It may go even higher, but if you compare the space or the appreciating room for the other pairs, I think euro, sterling, and Australian dollar and Kiwi dollar will be the trading star of the next half year. Yeah, the non-dollar, right? The major pairs. You're right. Okay, so let's go to the euro. Although the euro's fundamental is bad, okay, but if the dollar really is become weak, okay, the euro may pull back to entire of this downtrend wave all the way to 618, and the second target will be 1.23, somewhere here, and it may forms this long-term garlic patterns and all the way go to 1.34 if the dollar really crashed. Okay. So get ready, the euro will have a like 1,000 or 2,000 pips in the long run. Okay, the base is very solid here. Okay, 1.08 is a bottom. It's really the low. And long-term downtrend line is going to be broken. It's going to be broken. Okay, so it may go for this harmonic patterns that targeting 1.3, okay, 1.3. Okay, so try to find some opportunities for you to catch this kind of rally, because this will give you a lot of profit from this trade. In sterling, yes, Powell is very smart, okay, because from I think from March when the sterling comes back to 1.16 and forms this double bottoms, okay, from that time I'm keep asking you guys to find bullish patterns for the sterling. Remember, if you forget, you can check my all the past webinars. Okay, almost every webinar I mentioned sterling is okay to buy the low. Okay, you can use the 2618 trade. You can use the structure breakout and retest. You can use a lot of strategy for you to capture the buy. Okay, now here it goes. Okay, and some I think in my last webinar I answered one of the question. Some people ask me if whether the sterling is going to make double top, right? Do you agree that this is double top, guys? By the definition, it is, yes, it is a double top. It breaks the neckline, yes. Okay. However, the neckline was not hold. Okay, was actually pulls back above the neckline. And another thing is this double top did not occur in a right place. Double top should be something like this, okay? After a strong rally, the price is at a very high location and then it comes in like this. This is a double top, okay? But you don't find a double top, okay, along the downside. You say this is double top? No, this is not double top, okay? This may be a cheating, okay? That's why the harmonic pattern comes in, okay? To counter this fake double top, okay, in this market, okay? So double top has to happen after a strong rally, okay? But before this rally is actually a strong dunk, correct? So it looks something like this, okay? And now the price is going up and we'll be very, very confident, okay, that once the sterling break 1.2650, guess what will happen? Guess what will happen? If the price break this level, what will happen? It will fly, okay? It will fly easily to 1.32, okay, or 1.30 at least. Because this actually makes a super good bottom patterns, okay, which is a cup and handle, okay? You can consider this as a cup and handle. You agree? This is a handle and this is a cup. Okay? Anyone? Is it interesting? Did I draw it? Looks like a cup. a little bit sharp, right? Yeah, but that's the shape. That's the shape, a cup and a handle. So if the cup and handle was broken, okay, you can targeting 1-to-1 measurement, 1-to-1, something like this. 1-to-1 equal to 1.38. And some people may be astonished, say, hey, Jack, what are you saying? You're saying the sterling is going to 1.38 and right now it's 1.25. How could that happen? How could that happen? You don't believe, right? Or you lose this imagination. You don't have this imagination ability. How could the sterling rally so fast? I can tell you, yes, this may happen. Because don't forget what pushed this move, what pushed this sterling down, the Brexit. But what can tell you, what if the British people or the British government finally have a good settlement plan with the euro and the fundamental is really good of the sterling, of the UK, okay, because UK will have less burden Okay, no more, you know, the refugees goes to UK by the Eurozone's law. Okay, the UK can easily kick those people or restrict those refugees coming in, and the sterling will go strong. Okay, it may happen. Okay, and 1.38. Let's go to the weekly chart. You look back, and this is something really, really interesting. You look left. What is this level? Boom. What do we have here? What's this level? Anyone? Yeah, trying to think as me, trying to follow my thought. What is pattern here? Yes, it is a neckline of the last time's double top. Okay, so this is a true double top. Okay, after strong rally. Okay, come all the way to the previous, you know, pre-exit high here. Okay, this is a true double top. You know, break the neckline. This neckline was never retested. Has never been retested. So get ready. The study may all the way go to this place. It could be done. Okay, so what our traders' job is, okay, is to find a way to participate in the next potential rally. Am I right? Am I right? Okay, so check our mindset. Okay, so first one, okay, by the recent cup and handle pattern, okay, we know sterling is likely to go 1.38. Secondly, okay, 1.38 is the previous, okay, strong neckline. Okay, 3, our job is to find any trading plan, okay, good trading plan, which means you need to find good entry, good stop loss. Okay, target is set, TP is set already. Okay, to participate in the next potential move. Okay, before the market really fly. So I put this. This is how we think, how we get in this thought or this idea that, oh yeah, we are very anxious to buy the low to participate in the next trend. So 1, 2, 3, 3 step. Do you agree with this thought? Is this flow very smooth? You have to narrow down this this 1, 2, 3. Like, what is your first thought? What is your second thought? Do you have any reason to, you know, support your trading idea, or can you forecast or can you foresee, yeah, any supporting fundamental, you know, factors to support your longs? Okay, so from technical analysis and from fundamental analysis, okay, 1.38 is really a tangible target. Am I right to say that? Okay, give me 5, type 5, reply me 5 if you think my thought is make some sense. Okay, we are traders. We are not analysts only, okay, or we are not profit. Okay, we're not those you know, the mystery masters, okay, can tell you, yeah, I can tell you the sterling is going to 1.38. Boy, hey boy, buy sterling. Okay, we are not this kind of people, but we are traders. So trader has to think. Our job is to get a very particular entry and stop loss to go for this trade. Why we need entry? Because entry will give us a very good advantage. Okay? For example, if you previously buy from the neckline or buy from the pullback or buy from the structure, okay? Second one, stop loss will help us to determine when I should admit that we are wrong, okay? Because we cannot bear this kind of a risk that it will kill our account by this one trade. Internet scams here. Osmani is you are very very cute. Yeah, that's true. Scams. Okay, we have to use stop loss to help to protect. Okay, from we are wrong. So if I were wrong, I'm wrong. Okay, I will cut all my trade. Okay, for example, below the stop loss. Okay, or if I go to daily chart, I don't want to risk this much. Okay, maybe I will consider to buy from here. Okay, daily chart. What is the best trading area? Will be 1.2393, which is the high. And in fact, if you find, if you recognize this, what is this? S&P is falling. Wow, really great. Woohoo. Hey guys, we just made $500, right? Okay, and I think my first target was almost hit. Okay, this is TP1, right? Okay, we are going to just, and this, I love this pin bar. Madden, do you love this pin bar? Will this pin bar be a very, very confirmative evidence, a proof that tells us we are going to be winners? Because we saw a pin bar retesting the previous structure and it failed to maintain above, right? Come all the way, reject back. And our prediction, our assumption that this rally, okay, to retest the previous high by sell from a 618 is successful, right? Hey guys, we are not kidding. We really make money. You can see here. Okay, so since it's almost 90%, okay, reach my first target, I think, yeah, I'm okay to take this $100 come to my pocket. Okay, and I'm going to, yeah, let me show you how to move stop loss to break even. Okay, all right, I just easily dragged my stop loss from the MetaTrader 4. I just put it here. Okay, and you can see the stop loss is at my entry price level. So this two trade will never become losing trade anymore. And since I already closed $100, okay, in my pocket, okay, I want my other portion of the trade to go to strike even further, okay? So I will tell you, okay, I'm going to use a 4-hour chart, okay, and I'm going to use the entire wave of the previous rally, okay, okay, and I will set my TP to here, okay. Oh my God, still keeps going down, right? It's going to hit the TP. Oh no, no! Before it hit my TP, I think I'll just use a further because I already took some profit, right? Yeah, this $100 is mine already. Okay, so I'm not going to close my second half of the trade, okay, so early, right? I will use the entire wave of the 618, and then I'm going to use the 382% of retracement. So I will drop to here. Okay, so and you can calculate how much money I'm going to win. Is about $850 for the second target, and the third target I'm going to win 1,400, and plus my first trade $100. The total profit could be 1,434 plus 850 plus 860. Okay, so 1,434 plus 860. Oh, I'm going to win $2,000. And the beautiful thing is I don't have any risk anymore. Thank you, James. Thanks you for support. Yeah. Yeah, if possible, there will be a pullback. Yes, you're right. Guys, I can tell you what, okay? I'm going to use this zone, this structure, because this is a previous support from here, okay? I'm going to, if the price can break down 3050 and pull back, okay, I'm going to open another sell, basically to just to reopen my winning trade of 0.31 lot from here, okay, and to catch another wave of down, okay. All right, so this is a simple strategy by using structure, and simple strategy by using 618, okay. They are very good tools, okay, if you know how to use them. Yes, you can use the neckline break and retest, or you can use the trend line broken, right? If the S&P can break the trend line, right, that will be good, fantastic. What will happen if if this trend line was broken? It will just fall like a waterfall, right? So you can add some position by if you spot any more patterns in other time frame, okay? But however, we already have a very good entry, okay? We spot this at the same time, right? I just trade in front of you guys. So this is how we trade, okay? And you can see here that today my total closed profit is already $2,000. Is that fruitful? Do you like the profit? Do you like the feeling of, you know, every day you can win back some dollars to your pocket, okay, by just risking, you know, $100 or $200? Okay, yeah, so remember this trade, okay? Remember this trade because you're going to, yeah, you're going to benefit from this trading psychology and trading system, okay? Spot a fake breakout, use the pullback to enter, okay, and take some profit when it comes to 121 or 122, okay. All right, okay, sterling, okay, so sterling I'm going to buy if there's any pullback, okay. So let's check the sterling's chart, and let me find a good trading plan for you guys, okay. Do you want it? May I? Okay, so I'm going to look, okay, at a very good zone for you guys to buy the sterling, and I'm going to tell you what will happen or what is the 3 potential scenario to buy sterling, okay. First of all, I'm not going to buy right now, because if I buy right now, I'm going to buy at a very high price, okay. No, daily chart is strong candle, but it's hitting the previous resistance, right? So be prepared if the sterling will be rejected from this place and come back to 1.2378 here, okay. So the best entry could be here, 1.2380, and you can use the Fibonacci level. We check, okay, it is almost at a 38.2 to 50% here, okay. So the good entry will be 1.2380 to 1.2350. Use this zone for you to take a buy of sterling, okay. You can even put a buy limit, okay. You can put a buy limit here, no problem. All right, this is the first scenario if it comes back to this place, okay. Secondly, okay, we do have to put this into consideration, that whether the sterling can break 1.26, right? So if you find the breakout happen, okay, which is the horizontal line here, let me just put it here for you, okay, 1.2646, all right, this is a level, okay. Let me just use trading view, because trading view will give you a large number, okay, you can see it clearly, 1.26476, okay. So plan two is to buy the breakout and pull back, okay. So this is a plan 2, okay. Plan 1 is to buy the pullback from here, okay. Either one is okay. either of this entry will be good for you. Okay, is there any plan C? What is plan C? Guess, do I have, does Jack have a plan C for the sterling? Reply me by 1 if you think I have plan C. Reply me by 2 if you think I don't have plan C. Current price with stop loss? No, that will be a lousy plan. I already explained, I don't want to buy it now because it don't have any good entry for me, right? No C, J&J says no C. Buy stop. Buy stop will be similar as buy pullback. Plan C is to wait. Is that so? Break up at 1.32. Oh, that would be too high. If price can come to 1.32, and what happened to you? Did you miss all the rally from the 600 pips? If you miss this 600 pips, I think you're not a very good trader because you don't have the strategy to kick in this 600 pips. Party over. Okay, let me just show you plan C. Okay, so plan C is, okay, we have two. Plan C, okay, plan C is have less possibility. Okay, it may come down, okay, and form a go back to 1.18. So be prepared if the sterling really comes down very, very low, okay, and formed a bad pattern. Okay, so this is, as I said, has less possibility, but it still have some room, okay, still have some potential. So plan C is wait for the price to come back to 1.16, and you are going to buy from this level and all the way. Okay, so plan A and plan B and plan C. So instantly I can draw the 3 scenario for you, and now it's up to your choice to determine which one you want to go. Yes, I agree with you guys. If someone said there's a bearish harmonic patterns here, okay? Something like this, right? Okay, I agree with you. If you want to trade this, okay, I will agree. I will say, yes, you can find some bearish price action to short sterling first, to short to 1.23 first, okay, and then if can break 1.20, then buy from 1.16. It's possible, okay? So now, what's your choice? A or B or C or D? What is D? It is a MCQ, right? Okay, so Jack made a MCQ for you guys, okay? A or B or C or D? What is D? Guess. What is a good mindset by looking at these 3 possibilities? Astonio says C, okay? Yeah, C will be give you a very, very good entry. Hey guys, have some imagination, please. D is, okay, all of the above. Do you remember when you go to the university test, right? The examinations comes and there are MCQs like A, blah, 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 B, blah, 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 C, blah, 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 and D is all of above. And then if you see something like this, okay, choose D because they may be all right. Yes, because we don't know which plan the market will choose, right? So why should I bother I want to trade the plan A only, I want to trade the plan B only, or I want to trade the plan C only. No, it's market give you which scenario, you just take it. If the market break 1.2647, A trigger, okay? If the market come back to here, B trigger, and put your stop loss below here, okay? If the C comes, okay, go for it. Why not? So all the three plans are good. Yeah, you know, you guys are laughing, right? No, I'm not trying to cheat you guys, but it's the real process of professional trader. Okay, we don't guess the market, but we are always prepared for any scenario. Check S&P and AAP are pressing down another wave. Wow, good. What is S&P? Okay, so James, wow, thank you, James. We just have another 4. It's going to push the lower low, and you can see, bingo, yes. Okay, $190. I will check whether it can break down, break new low. If break new low, I'm going to hold. If it cannot break new low, I'm going to take profit. Come on, come on. Still have some support from here. Still have some support, okay? But it's really have the downside momentum, okay? You can see how the sellers are going to push the price, okay? And the 5-minute chart of S&P is going to be closed in 1 minute. Oh, it's going down. It's going to break. Yeah. Do you know why? Do you want to know why? Why this wave is, you know, is reject entirely? Jacob said, what if plan A don't pull back? Go for a lower time frame to find a pullback, or use inside bar breakup. Okay. Okay, still have some support. Okay, good. I'm going to check 1 minute charts. Okay, the rally comes. This reject from this. We'll see whether this can reject the price. If cannot, I'm going to take another profit. Now, by the way, you can use a protective stop loss to, you know, you can trace your trend. Just put your stop loss here, okay, so they can lock the profit of this much. Okay, done. I'm going to close another one portion because it failed to break the neckline. Okay, one touch and go. Okay, so close another portion. So if you want to trade S&P, you better look at, yeah, James made a very good suggestion. You go to check Apple, okay, because if the Apple is going down, S&P is going down, okay. And I think just 2 days ago, I consult with James, okay. James, remember? I made a phone call to you, and I said how to what is the price to make a cover call, okay, of 330 for the Apple. And James says, yes, it's possible. Okay, if you do write a cover call, you can make almost like 2% yield per month. You can recommend a high roll to me. I think in Asia, only UOBK can offer stock limit up to 15 million. Yes. Okay, sure. I will. Yeah, if you want to trade stocks, you can look for James, and I have his personal contact because James is a professional manager from UOBK Hien. UOBK Hien is a licensed broker to trade stocks, FX, and futures, and offers very good leverage and financial products. Okay. So Apple looks like it's reversal, right? Okay, so go back to sterling. Here we already discovered 3 okay, and there's another possibilities you can find, okay, inside bar breakup, okay, if the trend is strong, okay, if there's an inside bar breakup, just like what it did to S&P. Okay, if you see something like this, go for it. okay, just like this. You should already be in this trade for this inside bar, okay, breakout. Do you picking up the stocks? I seldom pick up stocks because stocks didn't have, really give me a very good leverage. Okay, but I do have some stocks in my mind. Okay, the first one will be, but that will be the A shares. Okay, because I will be more familiar with the A shares. The one that I'm looking at is 000651. Okay, the green electric application. Okay, because the green electricity is very good companies in China. It makes all the China made, you know, air conditioners or the other equipments. Okay, and I think it's good to buy at this level to invest in. Okay, because it has already found a support from 50 level, and I believe it will have more upside room. Okay, just like what it did in the past 10 years. Okay, it keeps riding from $3 to 70. Okay, so you can consider this as China's Apple, maybe. Okay, but it's not a technology company, but it comes really good in the manufacturing side. SPX. Why you put wow, it breaks down. Cool, man. Okay, yeah, I will thank you guys. Okay, thanks for you guys come to this webinar so that, yeah, we capture this sale together. Where's your applause? Give yourself a round of applause if you took the trade with me together. Okay. Trading is not so difficult. It's just as what you can, how you determine when you're going to trade and what is your pattern, right? And what is the rule of your pattern? Okay, it keeps to the previous structure. Okay, you can take another profit. All right, since I already have my 0.5 loss here. Okay, it actually hits to 123 already. Okay, I'm just going to take another $200. Cope a good one. Okay, if you bearish on oil price. Okay, thank you, James. Coke. Let me check. Coke. COP. ConoPhillips. Okay. Well, I'm not bearish in oil price anymore because I'm holding my oil long all the way from $11. Okay. I think it will still going up. Okay. Because the oil I can tell you, if it breaks the 36 point, yeah, in fact today almost breaks new high. Okay. Because trust me, there's nothing here, because that at that time is actually a gap down, right? So inside the gap, there's no orders, there's no buy limit or sell limits. Okay, the price just jumped out from this zone. Okay, so be careful. The oil may go back to 44 in any time, because this place are empty. There are no orders inside. It may fill the gap. Okay, I think the oil price will sustain above 40 in the till 20. Okay, the oil, a good zone for the oil will be still somewhere like this. Okay, from 30 to 60. All right, this will be a good zone for the oil in the next maybe 5 years at least. Okay, it may fluctuating inside this area, but it will never be below 30. What do you think about a VIX? Well, if you want to trade a VIX, you better make it quick. Okay, VIX is some product that you want to make a quick money. Okay, so when you think that today the market is going to become very bearish, okay, just buy some VIX and you let it go. You just take all the profit whenever it shoots up. Okay, because this product is very sideways. Okay, so do not hold the VIX for a long time. Don't hold it. Okay, and don't buy the UVXY. Okay, because they have the ultra VIX short or the vice versa. Okay, don't use the leverage product of the VIX because the decay is very high. You're going to lose money if you hold it in a long term. Right? Okay, sterling yen. Wow, sterling yen makes the first move of break up. Okay, so I will be interested to buy the pullback of sterling yen. Let me just find, is there any chance of sterling yen? Okay, yes, sterling yen makes new high and now it's coming back. Okay, so you can take, you can consider to buy from 135.59. That would be a good place for 1 hour chart. Okay, wait for the price to come back to here and buy. Okay, and if I'm using the Jack Master, okay, I can tell you, yeah, let me just show you. Okay, again, $500 risk. Okay, my enter will be here. Stop loss will be here. Okay, I'm going to click order. Done. Okay, you can see the Jack Master has helped me to make 3 portion of 0.38 lot of sterling yen at 135.482. Okay, and stop loss here. And each trade is going to risk $167. So total 3 will be risking 500. And that's the trade I'm going to take for sterling yen. Okay. How is AMD, SE, and Tesla? Okay, let's go for AMD. AMD are bearish because AMD didn't really break new high, failed to break new high. Their supply zone is from 58. Okay, it formed a harmonic pattern. Right, if I were you, I will going to buy some put option on April, end of April. If you buy some put option, it would be good. And I think the AMD will be going retest 40. Okay, it's actually making a double tops here. Okay, and if they break 48, if AMD break 48, it will go down further to 42 or 40. So AMD, I'm bearish. SE, C limited at each. Okay, what is this? Is this the company that you're looking for? SEA? Can you describe what kind of company is this? Each rep 1 class A. Oh, mother company of Shopee. Okay. So it's a manufacturing company or technology company? Asian e-commerce. Oh, e-commerce plus gaming. Okay. This one is well, I don't have any plan of this. Okay, but I can tell you if I want to buy, I will use 64 level. Okay, I will wait for the come to back to this level and I will consider to buy. Right now, no, I don't want to buy. It's too expensive for me. Yeah, I will just wait for the come back to this gap. Okay, there are some news happen, definitely, maybe a good financial report or good, fundamental idea, but buy the low is a very good strategy. Okay, Canadian yen, just hold your long. Canadian yen, I made a webinar last week. I said inside the bar, correct? And you should keep buying because the dollar Canadian break the structure of 1.3836 and it's perfect trade of breakdown and pullback. Okay, and I think that the dollar Canadian is still going to fill the gap. Okay, but you should take some profit first. Okay, before it's coming back. How's your favorite? Gold. Gold is going up. Come on. Okay, because gold already formed a V shape. Okay, and now it breaks another structure. Okay, which is 1335. 1 hour chart looks like the gold is sideways above 1735. So I think you can use a pullback strategy to buy the gold and aim 1760. Okay, if S&P really goes down, the gold will move up. because the Fed cannot print gold. Okay, the gold will be appreciating against the dollar along the way, along the coronavirus, along the based on the fundamental factor that the dollar is in a bearish move. BTC, please. Okay, BTC makes a very good rally today, and the pullback just now from 94,000. Okay, which is a triangle pullback. Okay, and easily we win about $500. Oh, sorry, $1,000, and now it's pulled back again. Okay, a quick sell all the way to 92, and I think this is something be manipulated by those big players. Okay, so Bitcoin is some product that has lower or less liquidity than Forex and futures. Okay, so because crypto market is not so matured, people inside, or there are less professional traders or institutional traders inside this market. Okay, 99% are those investors or from the mass market, okay, or the retail traders. So it could be manipulated by those big players. Like I have a lot of Bitcoin, and we just just push it down, just sold it very quickly. Okay, so the price will be more fluctuating. Okay, more volatile. Okay, than the common product. But if I were you, okay, I will buy Bitcoin right now. Why? Because it is a breakout and pullback. Okay, it break out here and pulls back to the 618 level. Measure here. Okay, 9313. Okay, 9313. So yeah, it will be good to buy the Bitcoin from 9313. Okay, don't be scared of this down this red candle. It just gives us a good place to buy it again, and stop loss below 8,600. And James says U.S. situation may hurt confidence of foreign investors to invest grade bond. Yes, I agree. Fed only bought a bit of investment grade bond ETF, not invest grade bond directly. The major buy recently are insurance companies and non-U.S. foreign investors. Yeah, correct. It may hurt the confidence of the foreign investors. Yes. All right, I think we have almost covered. Oh yeah, by the way, there's one company I will be recommended you guys to take a look at it, which is Xiaomi. Okay, Xiaomi, you know this company. Okay, it is listed in Hong Kong. Okay, and if you understand what has Xiaomi done, okay. Couldn't find Xiaomi web's official website. Okay, here. Okay, me.com. You can go for it. Okay, they are selling cell phones. Okay, bracelet, monitors. Okay, running machines. Okay, refrigerators, laptops. Okay, almost all their family, or TVs. Okay, washing machine, and they are all automated. Yeah, AI. They are controlled by AI, and you can control it by voice. I bought a lot of Me products, and I think this is really a good company to invest. Yeah. Indian Me fans, yes. And their CEO is Mr. Lei Jun. Yeah, he's he's really a very good leader. Okay, and in fact, I asked one of my students. He actually bought Me from $9. Okay, and I said, yeah, you can hold it. So, and the Me just finished a bad pattern. Okay, so try not to buy at a very high price, okay, but invest in a low price, and you will be very comfortable. And now the prices keep going up. I think 11.50 will be a recent support. So you can buy some me shares, okay, and aim higher. Because weekly chart, I will just put my forecast here, because due to if the fundamental of the me is still good, okay, it will go back to $17 first, okay. We will go back to $17 first, okay, and then may have some correction. You may see some correction like this, okay, maybe a 2-leg correction, okay, and then eventually it can go to 20.62, right? So this is my anticipate. Yeah, this is how I anticipate the market will go. So yeah, buy the Xiaomi and invest this company. It's Hong Kong 1810. Okay, Hong Kong 1810. Good to invest. Okay, buy the low. It's really good company and has a very good market share portion. Okay. In some area, even Huawei cannot beat the Xiaomi. Yeah. If I'm not wrong, in some year before, I think a lot of times Xiaomi has in the second place of the most most smartphones sold. Yeah, and Xiaomi make a lot of renovation of technology. Yeah, it's a really good company and good products. Go for it. OIH, so bullish. Yeah, believe it. It's good company. Yeah, just like Huawei, but Huawei is not listed, right? We don't have any choice. And you know, JD is going to IPO in Hong Kong market. So yeah, get ready for that. And NetEase is also going to list in Hong Kong. So that would be a good opportunity for the Hong Kong shares investing. Okay. Yeah. And if you check Hang Seng, the Hang Seng index is finding bottoms from 2 to 22K. Okay. So Hang Seng may rally back to 28,000. I'm bearish on the US stocks market, but I'm bullish on the China side, the Hang Seng and the Shanghai Composite. Shanghai Composite really makes a good bottoms, okay, from 2006. Okay, so if you believe the China market will be above 2006, okay, go for it. Go for it. It will rally to 3,400 and eventually go back to 4,200. Okay. To be honest, I think the correct or the fair price, okay, the fair value of Shanghai will be about 4K currently. Okay, it is long time undervalue. Okay, undervalue. Add short place for S&P. Why? Why you want to add a short? No, don't. It pull back. Not adding now. Okay, you want to add when the price reject from the previous pivot like this place. Okay, you have to see. I would like to see the price to make a rejection first before I add. Okay, 1876. Okay, see. Oh, thanks, James. You really have a lot of good sides of shares. Okay, but BUD APAC. What is the name of the company? It looks like it's a new share, right? New company, just listed in last year. BUD. Beer. Okay. The chart looks good. I will invest. I think this company is okay. Beer. Okay, beer is okay. No matter what happens. Okay, beer is a regular consuming products. Okay, I think yeah, it will go back to 28 easily. Not sure how far it can go, whether it can go back to like 32, but yeah, harmonic pattern tells me, yeah, 28 first and then 30. Okay, so okay for us to capture this wave, right? The bottom is really here, 20, right? So if these shares give you some good entry up around $20, it will be good. Yeah, Hong Kong shares. Thanks, James. Should we buy oil now? Why? Okay. Do you think oil break up? Oh, no. Don't buy now. It looks like there's some sellers here. Okay. If you want to buy, okay, wait here. Wait about 35 level. Wait here. Okay. Use the 618 to help you. Okay. 35.11 will be good. Right. Okay. How time flies. 1 hour and 20 minutes past. So I think I will end my webinar today here. And thanks for coming. Thanks, James. Nice spot of the list companies. Okay, so Xiaomi, BUD, okay, will be a good choice for us. Okay, and yeah, and I'm also very happy. Yeah, $2,785 made. Okay, maybe I will win even more. Okay, if the S&P go back to like 3K. Okay, yeah, I still have my risk-free trade here. Risk-free trade. And congratulations for all those people who sell the S&P together with me. Okay, took some profit. It really hits into support here. Okay. How to in your student platform. All right. I have two students group. One is from Chinese. Okay, the Chinese website is jackedu.com. But if you don't understand Chinese, okay, you have to go to harmonicasia.com. Okay, yeah, let me just show you some. Yeah, I have never introduced my trading academy into my foreign students. Okay, so let me just give you a outlook. Okay, so these are this is me. Okay, and this is a trading room, trading floor, my academy. Okay, a lot of students will come here to trade by themselves. Okay, and this is my co-founder, my partner, Rock. He's a Wall Street trader previously. Okay, this is one of my students in China. Okay, yeah. So we are doing this education program for almost 5 years. Okay, and for foreign students, okay, non-Chinese, you can go to harmonicasia.com and join my course. I have a harmonic pattern course and a full trader transformation course. I host twice in Singapore, and the last time was sponsored by UOB Kay. Okay, so if you join, you can get all the training videos from the 2 days. Okay, that's all. English Asia, sure, yeah. You can come to visit me to Singapore if the COVID terminates. Okay, because right now I'm still in Shanghai and I cannot go back to Singapore. Yeah, due to the COVID. Really hope this thing will be end. Can we share report on WhatsApp? What is report? Andy? Gold going down. Okay. If gold going down, what should we do, right? Oh, gold is retesting 1733. Okay. 30 minutes. It's going to test this place. Okay. Let me just okay, 76 level. Right. Look for the price action here. Okay. Yeah. If this structure is still hold, you can buy. It gives you a good better entry to buy. Okay. Strategy report for those students who are not on WhatsApp. What do you mean? Okay. Yeah, I will talk to you personally. All right. Oh, still not on WeChat. Yeah, I don't have a strategy report. I would just send my charts to WeChat group first, and students in WeChat group will help me to post in WhatsApp group. Okay, cheers. So that's all for today. Yeah, go for drinking. I see you later, James. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you. See you next time. Plan your trade and trade your plan, all right?